Hi, Elaine here with WTI. If you're working on a wood project, you need this plastic wood. This small little container is still going strong. I have such a lot left and I really worked a lot on this door right here. I do appreciate the fact that it goes on pink and it spreads really easy, but when it dries tan and in a natural color. So what I do love about this is that you don't have to have much skill to put it on, and it goes on so easy. It dries really fast and it fills your holes. You just put it on, you make sure it's as smooth as you can get it, and sometimes maybe a little bit extra so you can sand it down and then make it smooth. I just love this product. This really goes a long way. It is the best buy for your money because it's going to help you on so many projects. Get yours. I love it. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.